Hey guys, this is a short video I'm uploading to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you Springville High School. They are tearing it down on June 1st, and so I thought I'd go back in one last time and explore a little bit. I'm going to see the new school tonight, so after this video is uploaded to this channel, I'm going to be uploading the new video, hopefully, if I can be allowed, onto this channel as well, so you guys get to explore the new school with me. Yeah, let's jump into it. They're starting to get rid of things in the school. So without further ado, let's get into it. Old wood shop.
Do you have a locker?
Oh, I forgot about up there. Huh. Yo. I remember climbing these stairs actually.
I never took this class.
We kept stuff up here.
This is what I was going to say. If I catch you guys spitting your tobacco on the project, they're going to put us on a tent up here. You know what? Food on the back.
Crazy man. Oh. Actually never went up here.
I've been up here a few times.
I've never been up here during high school.
We did
Yeah.
like CPR stuff here. We did.
Don't these open up right here? There's the old courtyard. Yo.
Was it?
It's crazy. This is where you
It was like the jungle out here when I was here.
was it? It was all weedy and stuff?
Oh, man.
This is where you'd sign the yearbooks every year. At least for us.
They used to open this in the summer.
Did they?
Yeah.
There's a cafeteria up there. Pretty cool. Ooh-wee. Tables have changed. There's an old hallway. Is that your locker?
Locker I shared with Andre.
Mine was over. It's over here somewhere. There's another hallway. Crazy. Good old G-Wing.
German class in there too.
You did? That's where we had all those dances. Yo. There's where I had that dumb math class. Oh, that's on the other side, but... Yeah, there's a staircase. That's where my final class was, too. Yep, there's math right there.
A miserable experience. So let's see, right? Was it right here? I think this was my entrepreneurship class. Yep, this one.
Oh, yeah, financial, what?
This is where I learned how to be an entrepreneur, and all by that I mean we just watched episodes of Donald Trump's. What's that show he did? The Apprentice.
Oh, yeah, yeah, I know you're
Wanna
talking
watch
about.
Shark Tank.
Crazy. Sadler, turn you down. Famous shortcut. Right here is my photography class. Oh, there's where the video broadcasting. Yo, yeah, I had my screen printing class right here. This wall used to not be here. They added that wall. Look how weird this new school looks. There's part of the old park.
Your ward that work here, isn't there?
That's insane.
That one lady.
New Springville High.
The marker lady that's here.
You're gonna miss this place. As you can see, they're already tearing up some of the carpet down here on the track.
It's hard to believe that they're tearing this place down. Pretty sad. Look, they took the shelves out already.
Well, there it is, the new school. I'm not happy about it.